Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video to do the speed test comparison between the Realme X7 Max versus Mi11 device. So Dimensity 1200 versus the Snapdragon 888 chipset. So this is going to be really very interesting, friends. Let's see which phone can actually open this 10 games faster. As you can see, all these 10 games are really very small games only and which are completely offline games, as you can see, friends. And both models I'm trying to use exactly 8GB RAM variants. So both are exactly 8GB RAM variants, as you can see clearly. Sort of 8GB, 4.5GB is available and 5.15GB is available in the Realme X7 Max. Let me do it exactly clean completely from the process manager. So in the Realme X7 Max, you need to do the deep clean every time before starting the RAM management test and speed test. As you can see, right now completely is clean. Everything is clean from the RAM management. So these are the 10 games which I will be using during this process of demonstration. Let's see, friends, which game will be opening faster in what phone. So this is the Snapdragon and this is the Dimensity 1200. Let's see how much difference can it be there between these both phones. That is what I'm going to check in this video. Let me slightly decrease the volume in both phones. Yes, absolutely. Yep. So both phones did open the surface of at the same time. Let's see the Candy Crush. So Candy Crush, which phone can actually open faster? That is what I'm going to check in this video. I think the Candy Crush, maybe both phones did open slightly kind of close to each other. Next is a Getaway 2. So let's see this game. So Dimensity 1200 did open this game faster, as you can see, friends, where the Snapdragon 888 is taking slightly some time. So this game, sometimes it opens faster and sometimes it doesn't open faster, the Getaway 2. Let's see which phone has got better kind of RAM management. That is another biggest question which a lot of users they do have in terms of the RAM management, which is really good. Sometimes the MLN does take some time to open this kind of game. So only this game, not any other game, only this game. So Temple Run, let's see, friends, and both phones are not bad. So at same time, both phones are trying to open. That's kind of good. So previously, I must have played the match. That is the reason it did start. So next is a Smash It. Let's see the Smash It game. Snapdragon 888. Yes, the Snapdragon 888 did open slightly faster, the main screen. Next is a Crossy Road. Let's see this game. So as I said, this is a very small game only. I just want to see the speed and I just want to see the RAM management. So which can actually store how many games in the RAM management. That is another thing. There is another most concern for a lot of other users as well. So slightly faster in the Mi11 device, little bit, not bad. Next is Hill Climb Racing. Let's see this game. So first maybe in the Realme X7 Max, I think, little bit. No, first Mi11 device, Snapdragon 888 processor. That's kind of good. Let's see the Angry Birds 2. So this is going to be really interesting, friends. I just want to see how much difference the Dimensity 1200 and Snapdragon 888 processor. We do know the Snapdragon 888 is very powerful, but just for understanding only how much difference it can be there, that is the reason I'm trying to compare both mobile phones. Let's see the final game, which is a Stake Ball. So let's see this game, which phone can actually open faster. Both are kind of really good in terms of opening this game, no issues. Now, I did open the 10 games completely in the background, as you can see here. In the background, I did open. And let me show you the RAM management, how much it is. So Realme has got about 2.33 GB is available. And whereas the Mi11 has got 4.3 GB is available out of 8 GB, as you can see. It's kind of really same, close to similar in the beginning and now it is in the end. It's kind of similar. I did open 10 games continuously, as you can see. All the 10 games are completely there. Absolutely, as you can see, friends, everything. Now let's start from the back side. Let's see how many games will be there in the memory. So both phones, Angry Birds, not bad. They did open at same time, 2 games, and Hill Climb Racing, not bad. And I'm trying to use the same kind of games only with other testings as well in other videos with other smartphones, just to make sense that how well all the phones are behaving in terms of this kind of speed test. Till here it was good. Temple Run. That's fantastic. So both phones did not know anything about Temple. Let's see this game. From here, some of the phones, they may not perform properly. From this third game, let me to start. It's not bad. Both phones were able to load it very quick. And Candy Crush, as you can see, it got closed in the Realme X7 Max, the Candy Crush. It did not get open, as you can see, friends, exactly. Next final game, which is a Subway Surf. Let's see the Subway Surf. So Subway Surf also did not get closed in the Mi11 device. You can see, friends. So the thing is that even other phones like Mi11X or iQOO 7 device, even though they have the 8GB RAM variants, they was able to store the more games in the RAM management. But I'm not sure why maybe the Realme needs some kind of optimization, I think, in terms of the UI to store more applications and more games in the background. I do know this is not the realistic scenario where you'll be keeping 10 games in the background. Maybe the most you can keep maybe 2 or 3 in the background, that's it, but not 10. But I just want to let you know that this will be the situation in terms of the Dimensity versus Snapdragon, and in terms of the RAM management from the Realme versus the MIUI RAM management. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and make sure to stay tuned for more interesting comparisons and speed test results, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.